Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining points A 15, 18 and B 19, 20. Now we know midpoint P xy is given by x1 plus x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, where A x1 y1 is one point and B x2 y2 is other point. Now in this case we simply put the values of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. So we get, let midpoint be P x comma y, x comma y. Therefore x comma y is given by, let's see, x1 is 15, x2 is 19 by 2, and y1 is 18 and y2 is 20 by 2, which is equal to, let's see, 15 plus 19 is 9 plus 5 14, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 34 by 2, comma 38 by 2. So that is equal to 17 comma 19. So pxy, that is midpoint, is equal to 17 comma 19. Required midpoint is P 17 comma 19. This is the answer.